Kyle with RentSafe Property Management here. A question we've been getting a lot lately is, will my property rent if I put it on the market? And the answer to that is yes, and let me show you some information that backs it up. Okay, so we're going to run a search for properties in Raleigh between October and November. And these are for single family homes, again in Raleigh. We're going to run a search and see what these properties rented like and for about this time last year, and that was before the don't want to say that word on YouTube, but before we started closing things and there was lots of changes in the economy. So we see average days on market is 31, average rent price of about $1,600. Now we fast forward, same search terms, but for this time next year, or this year, in Raleigh, and we see, once it loads here, average days on market. So this is how long the property was on the market before it rented, 26 days. It's gone down since this time last year, and the average rent price has gone up by about $200. The median rent price has gone up by about $100. And again, that's in Raleigh, but we can look at a different town. Let's just type in Cary. This is another big market. This is for 2019, October and November. 27 days on market. Average rent price of $1,900. And let's look at that, but for this year. $26 days on market, and average rent price has gone up a little bit. It looks like inventory has increased in this market as well, but to answer your question, the question everybody's always been asking recently, at least, will the property rent? Yes, it will. 26 days on market. That's pretty fast. That's pretty fast.